Namaste and welcome everyone to Ronak Yoga YouTube channel. We're going to do a couple of poses to release back pain using the yoga postures. So let's start. Lie down on your back. Legs are straight, relaxed. We are doing Ardh Pavanmuktasana, that's half wind releasing posture. So bend your right knee, interlock your fingers around the knee and stretch. Keep your left leg relaxed or straight. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose, exhale from the mouth. And relax. You can repeat the same on the second leg. Move to posture number 2. Turn your body to your right side, take support and lift up. That's cat and cow pose. So here, wrist and shoulder in one line, knees and hip in one line. Okay, give a gap between your knees, tuck your toes in if needed. Now inhale, stretch, arch. Exhale and softly hunch. Inhale, stretch, arch. Exhale and hunch. Inhale, stretch, arch. Exhale and hunch. Tuck your tailbone in, push the chin to the chest and relax there. So that's posture number 2, that's cat and cow pose. Gently arch and hunch, it helps you release the back pain. Now moving on to posture number 3, that's called Setu Bandhasana or the bridge posture. For that you will have to lie down on your back again. Bend the knees, make sure your ankles, your toes are parallel to each other like this in straight one line and not popping out like a V. Alright? And then keep your palms, this curve of your palm, the index finger and the thumb closer to your heels. We'll do a couple of reps, at least 3 to 5 reps. So inhale, stretch your chin up, exhale down. Breathe in up, exhale down. As you lift the hips up, observe your hip muscles getting locked, tighter and lower back getting stronger. Inhale, exhale. Last 2 rounds, breathe in, exhale. Last one. And relax. Turn your body to one side, take support and come up. So today we've learned a couple of poses for back pain relief. I believe you should do these poses empty stomach in the morning and spend at least 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute on each and every pose, slow and steady. Any pose, if you have difficulty, listen to your body first. Your gut, your intuition will tell you that if this pose is for you or not. These yoga poses are for level 1 back pain release, and second, it is also amazing to strengthen your spine doing these yoga poses. I hope you enjoyed my today's class. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it on your social media platform. I'm leaving the link of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam in the description box below. That also helps you divert the mind and ease down the back pain. These postures are for level 1 of back pain or for back strengthening. If you had any surgeries, if you have spondylitis or any other disorders or chronic ailments, avoid doing these poses unless you ask a medical help. That's it. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful, wonderful audience. Have a lovely day. Take care and bye-bye.